Okay, so when you are ready to select your crystal, ideally someone will give it to you. That's the best way to get your crystal, or actually dig it up. Arkansas is a great place to get your crystals. However, if you're in a store, the best way is actually there's two ways. One is you can energy test. You have a crystal that you really kind of feel drawn to. You're going to use your small intestine meridian to test. So what you're going to do, first of all, let's put the crystal down. You're going to lift your leg, and we're just going to test to qualify. This is your small intestine, which is your quad. You're going to say yes, you want it strong, and then you're going to say no, press down, and it's going to give a little. So now you know that you're ready to test. Take the crystal that you really like, place it right in the very center of your belly or your solar plexus, and then move down. You're going to put about 10, not 10, probably 2 pounds of pressure. This is rock solid, so this one is good for me. If this is really the one that I want, then I'm good to go. I can purchase it and then just move on for there. If you want more than one crystal, you can continue to keep testing. I'm going to put this one on my belly, about 2 pounds of pressure. This one's rock solid too. So just taking a look at which two I would prefer, and then go ahead and purchase. So that's how you select your crystals.